products. I did a thing. And what I did, I got it from the Apple store. So let's get into this video. Y'all, this is my first Apple bag that I ever received. And let's look and see what I got. You know what time it is. Y'all, I have a new phone. And if you don't know, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get into this unboxing. So y'all, here it is. I've been waiting all day to do this just for y'all. All day. I got it brand new today at my Apple store. Y'all, hold on. Let me focus in on the details for a second. Y'all, this is the first time ever I bought an iPhone. Straight out the pack. Brand new, right? Brand new, you guys. Brand new. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. So I'm just gonna focus it in. There we go. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. So I'm just going to open it up and see what we have. There we go. Let's do it. Yo! This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Y'all, you see that definition, honey? Y'all, let's do it for the camera one time. Look at this phone, y'all. It is gorgeous, honey. Let me let you see my reaction. It is gorgeous, okay? Y'all, hold on. Hunty, baby, I am shooketh. Y'all, look at these beautiful products I have in my hand. Do you see how sleek that is, honey? Do you see how sleek this is? Yep. Yeah, here you go. What the world? Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Girl, hello? Do you hear me? Do y'all see my new money maker, honey? Look at this phone, you guys. Look at this phone. Y'all, I'm shook. I'm shook, girl. I am very shook at my new iPhone. You guys, look. Look at this phone, man. Look how beautiful this phone looks. Look at how beautiful it looks. Y'all, this phone cost me a lot. Okay? A lot. But I am shook. Okay? I'm shook, y'all. What? I am shook, honey. And so, y'all, this is just what comes with it. So, it has the design by Apple. Hold on. Y'all can't see it. So, it has the design by Apple little pamphlet. And it also just comes in the box with the cords. It doesn't come with the headphones, nor does it come with the anything else. This is it. You just have the phone, honey. You got the phone, okay? So, and I'm not even mad. That just only comes with the phone. But y'all, this is a beauty. A beauty. Do you hear me? A beauty. And it is worth the money. And I haven't even used it yet. This is my first unboxing of a brand new iPhone that I just got today. Hear me that. Hear me out, okay? Y'all, this phone is gorgeous. 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 Did you hear me? I hope you heard me. Because y'all need to go get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, honey. The design is getting me every time. Let's say that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my iPhone, my new iPhone. I'm about to put it in a case. I just bought one. So, I hope y'all have liked this review. And I hope y'all get that iPhone. You open it up and you be like, girl, this it right here. This it. And y'all, I upgraded from an iPhone 8 to an iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max. You guys, this phone is it. So, I thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye, guys.